Hello, good morning. I am Jibers G. Husa, a 23 years old, a fresh graduate from Central Philippine University with a degree of Bachelor in Science major in Psychology. I can speak in three languages, English, Tagalog, and Hiligaynon. I am also a good communicator, strong interpersonal skills, creative, collaborative, passionate, optimistic, and hardworking. I am also capable using of Microsoft Office. I am applying in your company as human resource personnel where I can contribute my learning academically, socially, emotionally. I have also a work experience on HR during my internship at CIFDEC Tigbawan Iloilo under HR department and also in ICOR Iloilo recruitment team. I have also a work experience at CPU guidance office that given me a solid foundation where I can apply my learning experience and skills to your company. I am eager to pull out this stuff to learn and becoming one of your valuable added team in your company. Feel free to connect with me with my Gmail and contact number. Lastly, thank you for lending your time watching my video resume.